Hey everybody, Brian here in Fitzpatrick's. A few people are after calling the last while because they need to adjust the washers on their window wipers on their Honda Civic, so I just want to show you real quick how it's done. This video is going to suit something like the 2017 up as far as 2021 at the moment Honda Civic. So if you have a Honda Civic and you pull back on your wipers, you get some water that squirts out of this little guy here. And at the moment on this car, we see it's actually hitting exactly where it's meant to be, so it's working perfect. But sometimes people ring and they say it's gone way over the car or it's gone in a different direction. So I'm just going to show you real quick how to make the adjustment. So just over here, like we were saying, these ones are actually set perfect. So I'm going to kind of set it the wrong way for the moment. You want something kind of quite skinny to go in here. So, and you want to be really careful in how you adjust it. So all you want to do is just prise this little guy up here. And once you give it a bit of adjustment, it'll lift up. So it's now shooting higher than it previously was before. So we see in this case, it's moving up to the middle of the windshield. However, if I go the opposite with it, so this time around, I'm going to go to the top part and I'm going to adjust it downwards just by prising it. And as you can see now, it's barely gone up the windscreen, it's down at the lower level. So again, look, they're not really where you'd want to adjust it. You want it right in the middle sometimes, but sometimes people report it's way too low or it's way too high. So now you know, something skinny gets right in there and you just adjust it from there. So hopefully it's useful. Thank you.